Let me show you an easy way to fix Facebook if it's not working on your iPhone. It's usually either an issue with your iPhone or Facebook themselves. I'll show you how to find out and how to fix them. Now, the first thing you're going to do is close out of the Facebook app completely. After you've closed out of the app, let's head into the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on Apps, and scroll down until you find Facebook and tap on that. Now, if certain things aren't working, like the photos, live activity, or some videos aren't playing, you're going to toggle everything on. So if cell data, live activities, all of these are not turned on, make sure to give it full access and turn everything on here, in addition to notifications. The next thing that we can do is head into a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome, and we're going to type in is Facebook down. After we've done that, let's go to Down Detector and see if there's a huge spike in reported outages. If there is a big spike in reported outages, most likely it's not working because of that. You just need to wait for the Facebook servers to be back up and running. However, if that's not an issue, let's go back into the Settings app of your iPhone. Let's go all the way back to the very beginning. From here, just tap on General and then iPhone Storage. Now from here, all we're going to do is find the Facebook app. There it is. We're going to offload this app and then reinstall it. The nice thing about doing this is it force updates it to the latest version of Facebook, but it also clears all the cache and temporary files, oftentimes fixing bugs and glitches in the app itself.